First see which directory we are in. To see that, type pwd. Now you can see we are in home directory. Let's update. To update that, type sudo apt update and hit enter. It will automatically update it. It will take some time depending on your net speed. Now it's done, and now install Kali root login directory. To download, type sudo apt install Kali root login and hit enter. In my case, it shows some error, that is dpkg was interrupt. To fix this problem, now first try some different method to solve this problem. You can see none of this work, so try different method. Just copy this command and paste. And hit enter. It will automatically install the packages those you need to run. It will take some time. Please watch full videos if you want to learn with details. Don't skip this path or stop. It will install all of those packages those are missing, or you need to run the Kali root login directory. It will install all of those. Here you can see it's done. Now step next. Now try again install the app, install Kali root login. Now you can see it shows another error. This is app broken. So fix this problem. Just copy this part and paste and hit enter. It will automatically solve your problem. Now it's shown another problem, that is bar libdbkg. It's locked. Now to fix this problem, I will log in as root. So open another terminal and type sudo -i and hit enter and give your password, and that's it. Now type apt fix broken install and hit enter. It will automatically install all of those packages those you need. It will also take some time. Be patient and don't lose hope. Now you can see it's done, and go to previous terminal and type here apt install root Kali login. Now you can see it's working and install all of my packages. Now it's okay. Now forward to next step, that we change root password. To change root password, type sudo passwd and hit enter and give your root password that you want to give and retype the password that you give previous, and that's all okay. That's it. That's all for today. And now check its root password that we changed, it's working or not. To do that, log out and log in again. Type a root and give your password that you changed. Now it's working, you can see. Now open a terminal and type here pwd to see that which directory we are in. Now you can see it's root. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.